Here I have XIAOMI 12T Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to change slow motion speed in camera on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, then switch to the slow motion mode by going to more, select slow-mo, tap on 3 stripes here, and here you can change its speed by switching FPS. So like by switching frame rate you can change its speed. Like the higher frame rate the slower slow motion will be. So like 120 is like not so slow-mo. 240 it's like kinda slower. 140 is like normal average slow motion. 960 it's like kinda decent slow motion, and 1920 it's like super slow motion, the one that you can see like in Hollywood action movies and something like this very professional stuff. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.